Here's how to set typing in Word, Time New Roman size 12 points with 1.5 spacing. The method is very easy, watch this video until the end to get the method. Before that, don't forget to click the subscribe button if this tutorial is useful for you and also click the like button if you like it. Thank you. First of all, create a text in Word, or we can also directly set the format. To make the type of writing to Time New Roman, friends, go to the Home menu, then change the font type to Time New Roman. After that, next to the font type there is a letter size that we can set to a size of 12 points based on the specified format. To change the spacing between lines, still in the Home menu, friends, change the spacing between lines to a size of 1.5. How easy, right? That's all for now, and see you in the next video.